Hey guys, my name is Frank Doorhof and this is your Photo Tip Friday. Hey, working on location is cool, but working in the studio, well, is also cool, but a lot of the people actually run into problems with, for example, what do I give my model to do with her hands? Where do I place the hands? And hands are actually one of the most difficult things to photograph. Well, there's a simple solution that actually can also spice up your shot and do more for your storytelling. Go to a flea market or go to your attic and find some old cameras. Now this is a Leica, so it's not a cheap camera, but you can use whatever you want. And just give your model a camera. But if you use a camera, make sure you find out on internet how to use that camera. So for example, this is a waist level finder, so don't let your model look like this, because that looks absolutely ridiculous. If you like tips like these, check out my classes on KelbyOne.com.